above 0.01, there's a TP/SL thing. Can you
Yes.
click on that? TPSL. Click on that. TPSL.
Yes.
Now, you see, now you're going to preset your trade. So you're going to just set up how much money you will invest into that trade versus how much money you will take back in return. So now when you click on that TPSL, you may want to scroll up a little bit this place. Scroll up a little bit. Now your can you scroll up a little bit? Yeah, like this, exactly. Now, what I would like you to do, first of all, you have to select your direction. So if you believe the price will go down like it's going now, you need to click on sell. So that way sell will be turned into green, oh, sorry, into red, like this. You see, number one. So this is where you just selected your direction. That's number one thing that you need to do. Second, you need to define how much capital you want to invest into that single trade. And if you look below, now it says margin required 577, right? 577. You see that? Below that, it says margin required.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Okay, so this margin required, okay, represents the minimum amount, okay, which is required when you trade 0.01. You see in the middle, your trade size says 0.01, right? That trade size.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so that is the minimum trade size. And to trade minimum, you need $5.77. Now, you can increase that by clicking on the plus. And as you can click on the plus, you will see that the margin required will increase accordingly. You see that? So now margin required is $11. So remember, last time when you traded with 250, you traded with $30 into that trade. And that's why you have been making $3 back in return. Remember?
Right. Yes. Yes. Yes.
Now you increase your capital. Obviously, you doubled it, so you can actually double also the trade size. So instead of $30, you may now increase it to $60, right? So how about you do that? Okay, instead of 0.02, click on that and make your margin required to be about $60. Can you do that? Okay,
Make
increase
60.
that. Yeah, $60 per trade. Yes, click on plus. Yeah, you see 17 now. At 28, make it more. Okay. Go more, 46, all right, 51, 57. Here we go, 57. Leave it 63. That's also okay. That's also okay. $63.
Okay.
That's wonderful. So you now gonna go and you're gonna invest into that trade $63. Do you understand that, Robert?
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Now I want you to look now below. In the middle, it says take profit. You see what it says? Take profit. Take profit. And below that take profit, there is a box that says price, right?
Yes.
Price. Can you click on that price below take profit box? Click on that, please. Yeah, and now turn to profit. Yeah, exactly. Select profit, please. And on the right side of that profit, click on that black box now. Yes, black box. Yeah, click on that. And you see, you're going now with 63.5, like almost $64. And therefore, 10% will be give or take about $6.5. Correct? 10% of $65 is 6.5, right? So I would like you to put it here, 6.5, and click apply. On the left side, put 6.5 and then click apply. So that will be the amount of your return. Okay, 6.5. Wonderful. So in order for you to place that trade, all you need is just to click on the sell option. Click on sell. All right. And then confirm your trade. Click on OK.
Okay.
Right, sell and then OK, yes. Right, so that way now your trade is in the market.